You're asking AI questions, and that's the whole problem. Hey, I'm Alan Babbitt. This is AI Made Simple. Here's what we're going to do in the next 3 minutes or so. First, I'll show you why you keep getting mediocre answers. And then I'll give you the 4-part fix. And then I'll give you one assignment, and that's going to take you about 10 minutes. And that's it. So if you're ready, let's go. Watch what most people do. They open a chat, then they type something like, explain compound interest. They read what comes back, they shrug, and figure the tool is overrated. It's not overrated. It just got handed nothing to work with. You asked a question gets you an answer. And an answer is the cheapest thing AI makes. So here's what I want you to know. Stop asking questions. Start assigning work. And you already know how to do this. You've done it every time you've asked somebody for help and actually got what you wanted. You didn't just say, help me. You told them what hat to put on. You told them what you needed. You told them who it was for. And you told them what good looks like. That's not a prompt. That's a briefing. AI works pretty much the same way people do. So here's the shape. In 4 parts. Let's say you want to explain compound interest to a 12-year-old who thinks saving is a waste of time. Role. That's the hat it puts on. You're a teacher who makes hard money ideas feel obvious. Task. That's the actual job. Explain how compound interest actually works. Audience. That's who's on the other end. It's for a 12-year-old who thinks saving is a waste of time. Standard. That's what good looks like. Under 200 words, one everyday example, no jargon, and with a reason to start now. Same tool, same 30 seconds of typing, completely different result. So look at what we just did there. You gave it a role. You gave it the task. You told it who it's for. And you told it what good looks like. 4 parts. That's the whole thing. Not so bad. All right, so here's your homework. Take the last thing you asked AI to do, the one that disappointed you. Don't rewrite it from scratch. Just add the 3 parts you left out. Give it a role, name who it's for, say what good looks like, and run it again. And you'll see the difference on the first try. You don't need a better tool. You need to stop asking and start briefing. Everything I teach lives at isaadvisory.com. Until the next time.